guys, what's up? How are you all doing? Ignore my messy room. So I'm getting ready. I have a meeting and I have to complete few of my things that I need to get up ready for the workshop. So I'm getting ready for that to go for the meeting for the venue wala thing. So yeah, as you guys know, I'm going to conduct a workshop on 8th of March. So March 8th of March. So preparations are on. Soon you'll get updated on my Instagram. Do follow Sundar Sayed official and makeovers by Sundar Sayed, both my pages. And yeah, my hand is literally aching right now, so I'll put the camera down and get ready. So finally we got the pamphlets for our workshop.
And these are beautiful.
Written by my cousin. Follow her page, Strips and Strokes.
Yes. So this is mostly like your Harry Potter themed.
Yes.
Na?
A Harry Potter fan will understand this.
Yes.
ये बात तो व्लॉग भी करनी चाहिए. आज पहली बार मैं गाड़ी चलाते हुए व्लॉग कर.
और तुम सुबह से गाड़ी चला रही हो लेकिन
हाँ.
पहले वेन्यू एंड स्टफ. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Yes.
Yo people, what's up? I'm literally tired. I have migraine right now, but work is work. When you're taking risk for something, you have to do it no matter what. So we just got the pamphlets for the workshop and now we are headed to some extra work related to workshop. Oh god, itna easy nahi hai, dude. Promotions are must because of the internet ban in Jammu and Kashmir. We cannot do anything. We have to do it physically a lot. So yeah. Okay, bye. So guys, I'm heading towards the venue and it's a little bit chilly, but it's okay. The weather is cool. So this is my car. So guys, it's really hectic work. I thought कि हो जाएगा आराम से, but it's literally hectic. Literally hectic because of the ban. I won't be saying ban, but because of that less internet access to most of the people, I have to do the promotions physically, so that's a little bit hectic. Other than it's okay, it's cool. Open it up. Finally in the car. Let's get started. Today is day. So we are checking up the venue right here now. It's great. Checking up the seating arrangements. Look at that. just reached home from the venue, and we have almost decided everything, how we have to make the sitting arrangements and all that stuff. So guys, get ready for the workshop on 8th of March. And for today's vlog, it's it because I'm tired. So in between some workshop ka kaam, I came here to check out some what's happening in my house. So yeah. Hello people, we are again in this vintage shop and we are just selecting these goodie bags के जो बाहर का cover होता है, क्या बोलते हैं, अंडे का कवच, बाहर का cover. So yeah, this shop is quite interesting. We just love. My eyes are watering like hell right now. I think I got some infection before the workshop. So we're searching for some products to fit in our goodie bag. Yeah. Look at this. She's looking at me. What's up?
We are here for her shopping. And she's getting
Such a long and hectic day. I need a cup of coffee, okay? So you see my cup? What do you feel about my initiation about this makeup thing?
It's a good thing, you know. Firstly, innovative thing in the valley or in the state, you can say that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
What?
will you join me on my
Sure.
workshop?
I will how to join you. Yeah.
What do you think about makeup? What is actually your thought about makeup?
Makeup is just an art, I guess.
But what do you think? What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear this word makeup?
Makeup. Someone who is passionate about this thing. Just like that.
Asshole.
You are. What?
What are you thinking? You know we are in Ito ka Bhatta wali jagah. How do you like it?
It's cool.
In between the workshop ka stuff, I am doing my house ka kaam, house ka ghar ka kaam.
Yeah, something to cheer about.
Look at my crimp, half crimp. I was just checking a crimper in Vegas store and look at this. This is super gorgeous.
And what is this in this?
This is apple cinnamon infusion. What? This was the first order of this drink. First ever order for
ये
this.
place का भी बता दो थोड़ा सा.
This is
Mad Glad Cafe. Unit of scooter
This
वाला.
is Mad Glad Club.
Unit
Club.
of scooter वाला.
And this is in Chitra. This is seriously amazing. Look at the view.
Beautiful.
Hey guys, so 8th of March bus aane wala hai and I'm super excited. I hope all the participants are super excited too. Today I have to work on the PPT and all that stuff and it's really hectic. I'm super happy and I'm enjoying this process. I hope inshallah this workshop is a huge success. So see you on 8th of March. So this Rani here is helping me with PPT because I have forgotten how to type on laptop. I just edit on laptop. So you're getting some knowledge out of my PPT?
Yes, a
So
lot.
you're going to apply it on yourself?
For sure.
I'll see. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm in my kitchen right now and I have to leave. I have a meeting with my friend, photographer of the event, and yeah, I'm super excited. So we are here in the studio. Hi, Lucy.
Hi.
So we are here in the studio, and this is my friend, photographer, who will be covering the event, and that's my Abba Jan, and this is our studio. Say something.
What to say?
Why are you so tired?
I'm so tired.
Hey guys, so I'm back home and we have finalized the lights and all that stuff. What we are going to get on that day, and I'm so excited. I don't know how many times I have told you guys that I'm super excited, but I am kind of nervous, but I am excited. So I am in my room right now, and जो lights है वो मैंने अपने कार में ही रखी है so that I can check them in the location जहाँ पे हमारा venue है tomorrow or most probably on Saturday, because if I'll get the lights in the room फिर मुश्किल से वापस निकालना and all that stuff. I'm all seeing that thing, and yeah, now I'm going to change, and yeah guys, so today I am going to pamper myself. I have to get a little bit of hair touch up, for the workshop, and yeah, because I won't be getting any time after this, after today. So yeah, let's go. So I just reached home and I got my hair colored, and it's like a retouch. जो भी color था मेरा, I infused the green in my brown highlights, and that's it. What I do, I don't want to pre-light my hair because it's already damaged, so I don't want to just give her more sufferings. So yeah, and I went shopping for my OOTD, what I'm going to be wearing on that day. So yeah, that's it for today. So I hope I have much more to vlog. So yeah, okay, bye. Good morning guys, happy birthday to me. So today is the day, final day, and I don't know, I'm not nervous, but I'm not exactly relaxed. Actually, there are mixed feelings, so I hope it will go best. So yeah, let's get ready for the workshop. This is my vlog, final touch-up. So we are here after the event. Hi, how's your pain?
Too much pain, man.
So guys, we'll be having a pedicure right now. So yeah, me and her. Because they were not standing. We were standing all the time.
क्या चाहिए?
Finally, it's the end of the day, end of the workshop, and we are out from the pedicure. So I'll be ending the vlog here. Okay, bye guys. See you in my next workshop. Tata.